Alright, so we're back. Our hair is washed and conditioned. It's nicely detangled, as y'all can see. Y'all, I'm back. I feel like I say that every time I take like a whole decade's break from doing videos, but I'm serious. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Mara. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. We like to grow hair here on this channel, so definitely make sure that you click that subscribe button, make sure you like this video, and yeah, let's just get right into it because we gotta catch up. Okay, so real quick, I'm going to be doing a wash and go on my hair. I actually seen this video on Instagram of this girl doing a wash and go, but she added rubber bands and kind of like mixed it up a little bit. Y'all gonna see. Okay, yeah, I've been gone, I've been away. Here's why. I've been working every single day in the month of July and August for work. They had overtime. I was all there for it. The numbers met my liking. Had to get my coins. So I've been working every single day, no days off, no sleep hardly, for a good month and a half, but it was worth it. Yeah, 11, 12-hour days. I was in there clocking in at 7 o'clock in the morning. I was clocking in at 7 o'clock in the morning every single day, even on the weekends. Every weekend, clocked out at 7 p.m. So yeah, I guess you can say I'm a certified workaholic, but I had to do what needed to be done. Yeah, so that's why I've been gone for that whole time period. I pretty much haven't had much time to focus on anything. When I got off, I did not feel like recording or editing videos. I've actually recorded one, I think, within that time period, two within that time period, and I just really did not feel like editing it because I was just so tired. When I got off, my bed like was calling me, so I just hopped right in my bed. Okay, so yeah, I'm back. Also, I worked on my birthday like a true certified adult. I am now 25, doing adult things, working on my birthday like it's just any other day. And to be honest with you, it really is just any other day. For my birthday, I don't know, it's just a regular day, okay? I work now on my birthdays. That's a thing. So yeah, now I'm 25. I turned 25 on August the 22nd. I'm a Leo. Happy birthday to all the other Leos. If you guys want to know which products I'm using for this wash and go, I am using my OGs. I'm using the TGIN Green Leaf Leave-In Conditioner, my Wetline Extreme Gel with the blue cap, and I'm using my Main Choice Tropical Moringa Restorative Spray. You guys probably seen the order that I did at the beginning of this video. Like, let's just get into this real quick. Look how juicy this looks. Like, look at that. That looks so healthy. Y'all, I don't even know what's happening with my hair. As y'all can see, this is not a curl anymore. Well, it's a curl at the bottom, but I don't know what's happening. My hair is changing. Yeah, I really don't know. My hair is going through, I guess, like a midlife crisis, I guess you can say. Did I put conditioner on this? I really have no idea what's happening with my hair. Like, when I go to sleep, I use my silk satin scarf that I have over my pillowcase. That is always on my pillowcase. It is never leaving my pillowcase. But I use that, and when I wake up, I have like little hairs in the front that's short, and I don't remember cutting my hair. I don't recall cutting my hair that short in the front. Like, they're so short, like I have bangs almost. So either something is pulling my hair or my hair is just falling out. I don't know. So I gotta try to figure that out because I don't know what's happening. Also in the length of my hair is getting snagged from somewhere because I always have little strands that are just hanging, and I'm like, how are you just randomly hanging like this? Like, you didn't get caught on anything, you didn't get snagged, you didn't get pulled, so how are you just hanging like that? So that's another midlife crisis I'm dealing with. So yeah, I just have to try to figure out what's happening because lately I've noticed that my hair is much drier. You guys know that I haven't been taking none of my hair vitamins. I have not taken no biotin. I have not taken anything to help with my hair this year. I know that I said we're going to do other things to help grow our hair to be healthy and strong, but this year honestly has just gotten away from me so fast. Like I can't even keep up with what's happening around me. I'm still working from home, in case you guys care, and one would think that I have so much time to do what I need to do because I'm not driving back and forth to, like, literally we were just in the beginning of COVID of last year, and now it's almost the end of 2021. It blows my mind. How that happened, I have no idea. 2021 is almost over. We're about to be in 2022 in 3 months, which is crazy, and I feel like I haven't done much this year that I would have expected to do. Another thing that I've come to realize in 2021 that absolutely needs to be done is that I have to get my wisdom teeth taken out because life is just no longer agreeing with me. They are causing more pain to have them in as opposed to have them out. So I guess I gotta be an adult and get them taken out, even though I wouldn't say that I'm terrified to get my teeth taken out because I don't have a problem going to the dentist. Like I've been fine going to the dentist. I'm not scared of the dentist. It's just the tools that the dentist have is more so what I'm afraid of. I don't like needles. Yes, I have a tattoo, but I feel like that's a whole different type of needle. I don't know. It's just something about having a needle in my mouth. Then like watching TikTok videos of people going in to have their wisdom teeth removed and their numbing anesthesia doesn't work, so half of their face is just like, man, those are my worries and concerns about getting my teeth removed. I feel like this is all probably unnecessary information that you guys really don't care for, but it is what it is. I'm giving it to you anyways, whether you asked for it or not. Yeah, going to Hawaii, so excited. And then I have stuff I have to do before, just like prep. So I have to get my nails done, my feet done, because I haven't had those done since before COVID, so those gotta get touched. And then I am braiding my hair. I don't know exactly what I want to do, but I feel like box braids, because that's really the only thing I know how to do with braiding hair. All right, so real quick, I'm going to do the top half of my hair, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm gonna add in the rubber bands, just so that way you guys can see what I'm doing, and then we can just go from there. Okay. Okay, so I'm back. The front never takes long at all. I think both sections, to style them both, is like 5 minutes. I've noticed that as my hair grew, my hair just changed so much, and I kind of want the curls back instead of the waves, because when I do wash and goes and it dries, my curls, they looked more uniform when it was actual curls, and now that it's wavy, it gets frizzier so much faster. All right, so I have these little clear rubber bands here. As you guys can see, this is what I'm using. This is what they look like. Can you all see that? I can't even see that. This is what it looks like. It's a rubber band pretty much. So this little square right here is going to be my first little section. Is it in the middle? Not too short. Oh, okay. All right, let's try this again. Round 2. Ah, yeah. Hey, buddy. I'm gonna try to do 2 more times and that's it. Ah, oh my gosh. Hold on, one more time. Got it? That is it. Yay. Alright, so this is how our hair is looking. As you guys can see, the gel is in, my hair is styled. We got the rubber bands in the front. I wish I had those little things, those little gold or silver things you just put, those little things that tighten like when I did my braids. Y'all know what I'm talking about. If y'all don't, Google it. But I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry, just that way I can come back to y'all and show y'all what the result is gonna be, because I feel like this is gonna be real cute. It's different, especially if you're trying to get away from your everyday wash and go, because I'm honestly tired of doing wash and goes. I said that last year. I got tired of washing clothes real quick. I'm back at that game because I just want to straighten my hair so bad. I just straightened it a few months ago, so I'm trying to chill for a few, but I want to straighten my hair so bad and leave it straight for like a good year. But I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all. So alright, so it's the next day. My hair is completely dry. As y'all can see, I have one of my silk little hair ties on my head, but this is what my hair is looking like. The rubber bands, they looking real cute and slick and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil, and I'm debating on if I want to blow dry the back half roots because they kind of like thick in that area. So I'm really debating on if that's what I want to do. Normally I would not blow dry my hair after it's dry, but I don't know, it's just a little too thick in the back for me for some reason, especially with this style. Like I don't want it like poofy here and then it's like flat here and then like flat here, if that makes sense. And the oil that I'm using, it is the Chi aloe vera with agave nectar. If you did not know, it smells good. This is an idea, especially if you got curly hair. If you're transitioning, it'll probably work for you as well. You would probably want to just do it as a twist out instead if you're transitioning. So yeah, I do hope you guys like this video. Like I said, I'm trying to switch it up a little bit, so I may be doing various different hairstyles coming up on my channel. So definitely make sure that y'all stay tuned so that way you guys can get some ideas if you are going back to school or if you're just in your everyday life, work from home, back to work, whatever the case may be. But again, I do hope you guys like this video. Definitely be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like the hairstyle, or if you're gonna try it, definitely tag me on Instagram or message, and make sure you follow my Instagram. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.